Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this tool SEO platform, which is Content Raptor and Ranktracker. So to get started with the breakdown and the analysis about this platform, to help you decide if this platform would be a better option or any of these would be a better option for you. So to get started, Content Raptor is designed for content creators who want to improve their on-page SEO using AI-powered suggestions. It offers real-time SEO scoring, keyword tips, Google Search Console integration, and even A/B testing to track performance improvement at $47 per month. It's ideal for bloggers, marketers, and small business looking to get better ranking through smart content without the need for full-scale SEO software. Now, talking about Ranktracker, on the other hand, is built for users who want to monitor keyword position across multiple search engines. It includes tools for rank tracking, keyword research, and competitors tracking. Start at about $24 per month. While it doesn't offer a content optimization features like Content Raptor, it's great for anyone focused mainly on keeping track of SEO ranking over time. So if your priority is content, and Content Raptor wins on that. But if rank tracking is your main goal, Ranktracker is better bid for that. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this review. And if you find this review helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.